Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on HUAWEI Nova 12 SE. So you have to start by opening your app gallery, then click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and click install. Now you can click open. Then click I agree. Now you can click skip introduction, and here you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now, and now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And here you can try out Copilot, or you can just click start browsing. And now your Microsoft Edge is installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.